that is why this is my favorite area, and it could be yours too. Welcome guys, my name is Ken with eXp Realty and Unparalleled Houston Homes. Today we are at Candela, Texas, here to bring you guys all the information that this community has to offer. We're located in Richmond, Texas. If you guys haven't been here before, it's an absolutely beautiful community. They have 50-foot lots, 60-foot lots, 40-foot lots, anything you can dream of. And today we're going to be giving you guys all the information that you need. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button because we are your Houston real estate support team. We are here to provide you all the information that you need to know, whether it's things to eat, things to do, anything and everything you need to know about the Houston area. We're here to help out, guys. With that all said, guys, let's dive on in and let's see what they have inside the home. Welcome to Candela, guys. We're in the 60-foot lot of Coventry home, the Briggs model. Right when you guys walk on in, you guys are gonna notice this beautiful office space with built-in cabinets. Right throughout the home, you're gonna have this engineered wood, carpet here and there, but all this is upgradable. On the right-hand side, right when you walk in, you're gonna have this guest bathroom and guest bedroom right here. And if you notice, they have beautiful walk-in closet as well. All this is upgradable, so it's up to your taste, whether it's upgrading to tile or just leaving it as is, going from vinyl to engineered hardwood floors. And right here, you notice the high ceilings. When you walk on inside, you feel really grand. Spiral staircase that go all the way up. Do not miss the ending because the upstairs is absolutely gorgeous. And when you're walking into the living room right here, you're gonna have this open concept living space where you have the built-in shelves right here, stone, fireplace, huge windows throughout the home, and the kitchen area. We're going to be highlighting some of the additional fixtures where they add brass colored fixtures. And if you notice right over here, you're going to have this great mudroom. So if you guys are coming home, this would be actually the garage area. You have your laundry room back here as well, black accent wall, and tons of storage space throughout the home. This mudroom is super cute. You can keep your shoes, any of your coats and jackets out over here. And I love the way that they decorated this area, especially with this carpet. So feel free, get inspired, get some ideas of how they decorate this home because this could be yours in the future as well. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. And as we walk over here next to all these huge windows, basically floor to ceiling, you're gonna notice this formal dining area. And we're actually gonna be moving our way into the master bedroom right now. There's a half bathroom right next to the master bedroom. So downstairs, you're gonna actually have technically 2 bedrooms, but you can use the office as another bedroom as well. So right over here, we have huge bay windows, right? Black accents wall with wood trim on it. So it really pops out at you when you guys walk on into there. And you can actually have 2 seats right here. So if you guys want to enjoy some coffee, read a book, you definitely can spend some quality time right here. And right over here, we have the master bedroom. We have tile throughout here. They're changing up the color scheme a little bit, but it's still like gray, black, white, and gold theme. And you have this huge master closet. This is called the hers closet. His closet doesn't exist. So then when you walk on into here, they have a lot of space. You can actually upgrade this yourselves with your own custom cabinets. It's gonna really pop out for you. And you have a little toilet right here, but nobody wants to see that. So let's loop around and go see other parts of the home. So let's go back to the kitchen and highlight some of the key points. Again, you have this black granite right here and this beautiful black splash, which looks like marble to me. And you have these built-in fixtures for the microwave and the stove and a huge walk-in pantry. It's extremely deep over here. Just to give you guys an idea, this is my arm span right here, and you can load plenty of things. There's a lot of storage in here, so no need to worry about that. Other than that, let's go check out what's upstairs. So when you walk upstairs, they actually have carpet up here. One thing And why I like carpet upstairs, because it could get really loud and noisy if you have hardwood floors, especially if you have people running up and down. So carpet actually reduces noise. And over here, you're gonna have this theater room right here. Built-in speakers up top, black accent walls, built-in shelves. And if you guys don't like that, they have a pool table right here. You can keep a ping pong table. Ping pong might get a little hectic because you have all these little holes right here where the ping pong balls can fly, but it's definitely a possibility and an entertainment home. If you guys are gonna have parties up here, this is definitely one spot that you guys wanna have in your home. And as you guys walk over here, you're gonna notice another bathroom. What I actually recommend is to do the tile all the way up rather than just halfway up if you guys were to purchase a home in here. And this is another room where they staged it as a kid's room, so if you have a kid, they can stay up here, again with the black accent walls with the wood. Again, notice how high the ceilings are. It really feels tall and high in here just because it concaves upwards and this pendant is dropping down right here. And if you want a little bit of privacy, you can have this bedroom over here. It has its own bathroom again, colored pink, and a pink bathroom. Doesn't get better than this. And a small walk-in closet. This would be the child punishment room where you keep your child if they were bad. As mentioned, this is my favorite part of the home, is the backyard. Look at this. You can have great barbecue, great time, and great space to entertain a bunch of guests. This is a 60-foot lot. So what you're gonna actually notice that this backyard is gonna be bigger than the other backyards that we're gonna be checking out. And don't forget, if you're gonna be getting a home like this, I definitely recommend to add in this built-in right here. You know, you're gonna have water access, gas access. So if you're having a nice barbecue, toss in a pool, it's gonna be the perfect home. That was a quick walkthrough of the 60-foot lot model. If you guys have any questions, hit us up. But if you guys are interested in purchasing here, tax rate is 3.2%. You guys can apply for homestead. Ask me what that is later on. And the HOA is $750 a year. Location, location, location. Candela is one of my favorite community and locations. And you're about to understand why. You have everything in hand's reach, whether it's going to downtown, that's 30 minutes, Chinatown, Little Saigon, that's 25 minutes, Haiti Asian Town, that's 15 minutes. And you know, you have a bunch of restaurants and grocery stores right here as well, just a couple minutes away. That is why this is my favorite area, and it could be yours too. To top everything all off is the crazy and beautiful amenities that they have over here in Candela. We're standing on the playground right now. It has swing sets, jungle gym sets, anything a kid could imagine, we got it here. Not only that, but behind here we got a huge splash pad that they turn on the water in the weekend. So you can see a lot of families coming out here, spending time with their kids, and your kids are gonna be making friends with them. Candela has this resort-like swimming pool. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you guys are planning on hosting a barbecue, having a party, don't forget to invite me. But you have these huge palm trees around the area. Not only that, but the shallow waters allow you to have a peace of mind if your kids are swimming, especially if you had a toddler. They have a 6-inch section and a 3.5-foot section over there. Behind you, you have a gym that has all of the equipment that you need to get in shape. So feel free to cancel your gym membership and let's go work out together. We are inside of the 50-foot model now. Let's go check out what they have in store here. Right when you walk in, on the left-hand side, you're gonna have this bedroom and Jack and Jill bathroom. Throughout the home, you're gonna either have carpet, tile, and engineered hardwood floor. If you notice right here, there's another bedroom as mentioned. Right over here, you're gonna notice that they have high ceilings, but this will actually be walled off and turned into a garage area. Back over here, we have the washer and dryer unit and another bedroom with its own private bathroom. Extremely spacious in here. You could fit a queen size bed in here. Right now it looks like a full size, so that they have the private bathroom in there and a walk-in closet right here. As we walk more throughout the home, you're gonna notice that there's an office space that could be converted to a bedroom as well. And this huge open concept living space. I sold many of my clients this model before. Over here is the formal dining area with huge windows. And check out these upgrades right here. We have this quartz countertop with these light fixtures and gray cabinets. They have a really deep sink here. This is also an upgrade, so feel free to ask for that when you guys are planning on building your home or buying your home. My favorite spot of this home would be the living space right here. Absolutely open concept, engineered hardwood floor, and you have these huge windows that really add a lot of natural light into the home. Moving on over here, the master bedroom is separated from the rest of the home. So when you walk over here, you have these huge bay windows again, king size bed, huge dressers on the side, and a double French door for your master bathroom. His and her sink. I know for myself that I need a his and her sink just because my wife has a bunch of stuff. So if you're having the same problems, this is gonna be a perfect model for you guys. And you have a stand-in shower and a bathtub right here. And we're in the backyard right now. This has a lot of landscaping, so if you actually remove this, it's gonna feel a lot more open, but this is a 50-foot lot for you guys. And this is the patio area where you could add an outdoor kitchen if needed. And a pretty chill spot to hang out as well. You know, you can pop on a TV, pop a couple of beers back here and relax with your friends on a nice weekend. Well, that's the 50-foot model for you guys, and personally one of my favorite homes and models just because it's a single story, the price is great, and when compared to the 40-foot lot model, you're gonna notice that the 40-foot is a lot more smaller. Aside from all that, the schools here are absolutely amazing. They got Bentley Elementary School, which is placed 452 out of 7,800 elementary schools in Texas. Not only that, but the high schools and middle schools are top-notch as well. So with all that said, let's go check out what's inside of the 40-foot lot model. We are now in the 40-foot lot for Coventry Homes. Right when you guys walk on in, notice first that this is not the 10 and 11-foot ceilings, but this is the 9 and 10-foot ceilings. And right over here, you're gonna actually have 2 offices. This would be your garage and your parking space right here. So just imagine this place closed off. Right over here, you have your washer and dryer unit and your mud room for you to store all the stuff right when you get home and out of the garage. As we walk throughout the home, this home is listed for $385. It's a 4-2, but you have the option of upgrading one of the bedrooms into an office, game room, to something like this right here. So at $385, if you add on another $50,000 in upgrade, you're probably looking around like $430, $425. On this side of the home, you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that is shared with these 2 bedrooms. And right over here, we have this beautiful granite kitchen, countertop with white cabinets, steel fixtures, and the stove and microwave as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's nice and cozy. It's a lot more tighter than the 50-foot lot, but it still gets the job done, and a great starter home as well. And right over here is going to be the formal dining area. There's actually a little wine rack and alcohol station right here where you can store, you know, games or anything that you would like on this side of the home. As you walk to this side, it's still open concept. You know, you don't feel like you're too tight, but you know, the distance from wall to wall is going to be a lot shorter. You still have these 3 big windows back here that brings in a lot of natural light. And in the very back of the home, you're going to have the master bedroom. King size bed, bay windows, your nightstands on both sides as well. Still plenty of a space. And you have this beautiful master bathroom quartz countertop, white cabinets, and this standard shower. So this is the back of the 40-foot lot. You know, it's a lot more smaller, and there's a lot of landscape, which makes the place feel a lot more smaller than it actually is. But once you come back here and you remove some of these stones, these bushes and shrubs, it's gonna open up everything a lot more bigger, and you're gonna have a lot more space, whether you wanna add like a little playground for your kids or a little fireplace back here. That's the 40-foot lot model for you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team at any time, and we'll be glad to help you guys out. With that said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. Unfortunately, we weren't able to record Perry and Weston home, but perhaps next time, if you guys hit the subscribe button, we're gonna be uploading more videos on that. Not only that, but the surrounding Houston area. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Unparalleled Homes out.